Oh guys, welcome back to the garden. I've been cleaning out, guys. This is a big pile. Let me see if I can go slow motion. All of those pot, guys, they used to have some plants on them. Look at them. All of them, and there's more. Used to have some beautiful plant on them. Now no more. This is the huge pile I make. I make two huge pile already. There's one right here and one right there. I'm starting to clean this area. I don't think I need to move anything here, because since I cleaned this side, I can just water them and keep them alive. Look at this, and I pull a lot of big branch from here. I don't know how this plum tree is still alive, but she's still pushing out plants. But I did a good thing while I'm watering, guys, and I'm working also to cleaning stuff. Look at those pots. There's a lot of dying stuff over here, but at least what I'm doing now, I'm cleaning them out. I hope they can be happy, more happy. They're getting clean. Sorry, I'm trying to find where I need to put my water while I'm working. Look at this. This one is this guava tree. She's not in the good shape at all. But I'm giving them a good soak. Giving them a good soak here. Let me put this water on this guava here. I don't think I'm right there. I'm there yet. Oh my God. What is this? I hope all those snakes are run off. Please do not come close, okay? Do not come close at all. Snake. Yeah, I can come here and clean out some pots. All right. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my God, I'm touching the pots. I don't know what's inside of it. And I'm just gonna cut her here and bring her home. Sorry. Sorry, fans. Thank you for watching.